Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm the founder of Adventure Gear. My journey begins in 2009. I went to Australia to live there for 1 year. This journey took me to open a motorcycle rental company. Customers also asked me about renting motorcycle clothes from me. So my goal was to have an online shop to reach a bigger audience. For a business like mine, it's really important to find a solution which is scalable, reliable, easy to use, and affordable. I decided to go with Styla Frontend. The Styla Frontend really helps me to set up the store easily and use drag and drop, do the whole layout yourself without having any programming skills. After installing the Styla Frontend, my performance went through the roof. Only took 2.8 seconds to the full loading of the website, and I got a performance of 85. 75% of my customers using their mobile phone for online shopping. It's really important that my website is really quick and accessible via mobile phone. Styla Frontend uses PWA, which is the technology to go if you want to be mobile accessible. To find the Styla Frontend, it's really easy. You just go into your BigCommerce store and look for the Styla app. And it's a premium app. You just downloaded it and start building your new storefront without paying any cent. Thanks to Styla, I can now compete with other big companies and even reach a bigger audience online.
Upgrade your storefront.